Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, just log in with your credentials and activate the Cloud Shell. And this lab is very complicated, but I will try to make it as simple as possible and explain you each and everything that you might face the issue. Okay, so just click on that, continue and search for the data prep. Click on that. Okay, now just wait for to connection get established. Now just copy this command of the task number 1, run over here and click on authorize. Now this command will take a couple of minutes, so do not worry about the task number 1. You can just continue with the task number 2. Now come on this tab, just click on this accept and all the agreed terms and conditions. Click on allow. Click on this, click on allow. Checkbox and click on accept. Just now click on continue. So we have done with the task number 2 also. Okay, now task number 3 will be complicated for you, so just please pay attention. So first of all, just copy the name, click on this option, then click on create, then click on blank flow. Replace the name over here. You can add anything in the description. Okay, now please pay attention guys. Click on this add data set, then click on this import data set, then click on this BigQuery, and here please check the path. We have to click on this BigQuery, and now for the go to project, just scroll down and copy this patent public data. Copy that and paste over here, click on go. Okay, now here you can see the path and click on create dataset with SQL. Now just scroll down a little bit, copy this query, paste over here and click on create dataset. Now we have to give name, so if you just scroll down, here you will get a name. So just copy the name inverters and replace over here. Okay, so we have done with this. Now again click on this add dataset, click on import dataset. Now here you can see the path BigQuery, your project ID, and then click on Dataprep. Now check the path, then click on create dataset with SQL. Now again scroll down, copy this query, paste over here, click on create dataset. Now for the name, copy this name, publication pre 2023, make a changes over here like this and simply click on import. So we have done with this. Now again copy this query, again click on add dataset and just wait because it's loading. So just wait for that, then click on import dataset. Again check the path BigQuery and project ID, then click on data prep. Now click on create dataset with SQL. Now paste the query over here like this, simply click on create dataset. Now for the name, patent inventors. So just simply click on import. So here I can see, and your file view must look like this. Now click here, then right click over here, then click on add custom SQL, and now please pay attention. We have done with the task number 4. Now for the task number 5, just scroll down and copy this name called filter date. Copy that. We have to select this thing, select that, then click on this option and paste the name. So you have done with this. Simply click on save SQL. Now if you just scroll down, copy this name called patent ID, copy that, just wait for to this thing get completed. So it's done. Now click on this data set, right click over here, again add custom SQL, and now here select this, click on this symbol, replace the name and click on save, click on save SQL. Okay, so we have done with this thing also. Now for the point number 9, what we have to do, we have to create one recipe. So just wait for to this task get complete. So it's done. Click on this data set, then right click over here, then add, and then recipes. Just wait for a few seconds and you will be done. Now click on this, double click over there, okay, just wait for to data get loaded properly. Scroll down, and the task number 6 is very complicated task, so I will request you to please watch the video carefully from here. Okay, so let me just show you. From this you can just search for the any column name, or you can just use the shortcut button called C. Okay, so we have to search for the column name called citation. So just copy that name and search over here and click on this name. Okay, so we are on this name. Now click on this name. Okay, just wait for a few seconds and here you will get one option. Okay, now just click over here, then click on this edit option and then click on this add option. Okay, so now here you can see this graph has been changed. Now please pay attention guys. Okay, so we have done with this task. Okay, now here what they have mentioned, we have to choose one bar called publication number and one called categories. Okay, so for your help, the second is, if I just click over here, here you can see one bar name called categories and the last second is publication number. So we have to select both the bars at one time. So how can we select? For that we have to use hold or command button. So I'm going to do that same thing. So now what we have to do, select this categories and publication bar like this. Okay, and from here you can just cross verify that you have selected or not. Publication and categories, these two bars has been selected, and if you just swipe right, here you will get preview of the categories and the publication number 1. Now click on this edit option and from here click on this include original column name, click on that checkbox and simply click on add. Okay, so that's the thing we have to do over here. Okay, and no need to pay attention over here. I will explain you what we have to do over there. Now once you're done with this, now just simply select this number. Okay, this number, just simply select this number, wait for a second and it's all automatically choose all the number of that column. Okay, for the citation publication number, and here you can see one preview called citation publication number 1. Okay, now here you will get one suggestion box. From here this choose this starting with decimal and ending with decimal, click on this, then click on this edit option. Okay, so you are done with this, you can see here. Now just we need to change the name. So what we have to do, simply click on add. Okay, so here you can get citation publication number, click on this three dot, then click on the rename. So just change the name with the call citation publication ID. I hope you got my point and understand what I have explained in this task. Okay, so click on add. So now here the name has been changed. Then click on again this down arrow, change type, and from here choose the string. Okay, and you have the done with the task number 6 also. Okay, one more thing, if your path looking like this, then the continue with the next task. If not, just delete those tasks. For example, from the task number step number 3 it's not looking like this, so just delete all this thing and again do the same thing. Okay, and I tried to explain in very slow manner so that you can understand each and every term. Now for the task number 7, it's a very easy task. First of all, just click on this new step, and here we have to search for the inner join. So simply search for the join, then click on this data set, join data set. Now click on this data set in current flow, click on that, then click on this patent inventors and click on, just wait for this data get loaded or simply click on accept. Okay, now it will take few seconds, so just wait for that. And now just please pay attention what I am doing over here. Okay, now if you just hover, you will get the option called edit. Just click on that. From the location ID, search for the patent ID. Okay, now click on this save and continue, then click on next, and here what we have to choose, it's mentioned already over here. So citation publication ID, publication number, grant date, citation publication number, and inventor ID. So citation, uncheck this checkbox, publication number, then uncheck, 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 grant date, uncheck, 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 like this, and citation publication number and inventor ID as it mentioned in the lab instruction. So your file must be look like this. Now simply click on review, then click on add to recipe. So we are done with this step. Now just perform this step, like remove the duplicate rows. How can we do that? Just wait for this data get loaded properly. So just wait for that. So it's done. Now click on this filter icon, then click on this remove duplicate rows and click on add, and it will be done. Okay, so we have done with this. Now no need to do the step number 5, 6, 7. Okay, please pay attention, no need to do all this step 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and this 10, 11. Okay, why? Because they have again show the same thing and after that they just delete it, so no need to do that. Just simply come on the task step number 12 where we have to create one filter. So again click on this filter icon, then click on column value, and from here choose the custom filter. Now from here, for the type of formula, choose the custom multiples. Okay, so now we have to give the conditions. So here you can get in on the point number 16, condition is called row number, copy that condition, paste over here. For the order ID on the point number 15, inventor ID, so just paste over here, and you can just simply choose that. Now for the group by citation publication ID and publication number, so just citation publication ID and publication number, and your filter row must be look like this. Please check once, and if it do, simply click on add. Okay, so we have done with this step, all this step. Now for the last step of the task number 7, again we have to create one inner join. Okay, again click on this, then click on join, click on this. Now we have to choose, last time what we choose, we have go to dataset with current flow. Okay, but now we have to choose for the recipe in current flow, and from here choose the inventors and click on accept. Just wait for that, and now hover over here, click on this pencil icon and inventor id, and for the first name we have to choose id. Okay, just we have to just make this change and no need to make any changes. Make sure your file must be look like this, inventor id and id. Click on next, no need to make any changes. Next, add to recipe. So just wait for to data get loaded properly, and once you do, we have to just perform the task number 8. Okay, so everything has been done. Please check this path. If your path is looking like this, just click on run. If not, please check from where you have just misplaced. So just delete those steps and again do the thing. Now click on run. Simply click on run. Now if you just scroll down, here we have to make few changes. So first of all, just copy this name or number, copy this number, just scroll down, and here you'll get filter date. So just make the changes over here, 2012, like this, and here patent id it must be 0. Okay, like this, everything is done. Now simply click on run, and now just wait for at least 6 to 7 minutes and this task will also done. Okay, now just wait for 6 to 7 minutes and it will be done. So as you can see, it's take almost 6 minutes to complete this job. And if you just simply come on the task number and click on check my progress, you will get a score for sure. Okay, so if you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, guys. And I will recommend you, please try the lab at least 2 to 3 times. And if after that, if you are still not getting a issue, not getting a score, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.